Let's talk about something that seems simple but can drive you crazy: changing the date format in Power BI. First, we need to find our date columns. It's lurking in our data set, waiting to be formatted. Next, Power BI has some built-in formatting options under Column Tools, super handy. But what if those aren't enough? Well, you can either use preset formats or customize them with Power Query or DAX. So don't worry, your dates won't look confusing for long. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Date formatting sounds simple, right? Well, it can make or break the clarity of your reports. Power BI has its own way of storing dates, but the default format might not be ideal. The good news: you can tweak the format to make your reports more readable. Different formats work best in different contexts, and luckily, Power BI gives us tools to change them easily. So let's make sure our dates are saying what we need them to say. Imagine looking at a dashboard where dates are all over the place. One in DD/MM/YI, another in MM/DD/YI. Confusing, right? That's why correct date formatting matters. Consistency ensures your reports make sense. Clarity helps users understand the data, and formatting eliminates misinterpretations. Plus, regional differences can be a headache, so having a standardized format makes life easier for everyone. Alright, step 1, finding the date columns. Sounds easy, but sometimes it feels like searching for buried treasure. First, we locate our data set. Power BI isn't psychic, it needs data to work with. Once we find the column, we check its current format. If it's looking weird, don't panic, that's what formatting is for. The goal here is to get everything ready before we apply the magic touch of formatting. Ever copied a date into Excel only to find it refuses to behave? Don't worry, you're not alone. First, we need to spot those rebel text formatted dates. Then we bring in the date value function to whip them into shape. A little formatting magic makes them look right, and finally, consistency ensures no date is left behind. Let's tame those wild dates. Dates can be tricky. One country sees 12/05/2025 as May 12th, another sees it as December 5th. Changing locale settings helps us fix this confusion. Adjusting regional settings and using the text function keeps everything clear for different audiences. No more accidental birthday mix-ups. Ever had a date that just wouldn't behave? It's usually an issue with formatting. First, we need to spot the errors, then tweak the appearance. Sometimes hidden data gremlins mess things up, so checking the underlying data is key. A consistent format keeps your reports error-free and professional. Let's talk best practices. Because a well-formatted date is like a well-tailored suit, it makes everything look polished. Stick to standard formats, avoid confusing date styles, and make use of built-in tools. Most importantly, consistency keeps everything crystal clear. No more is it DD/MM or MM/DD moments. Mistakes. Oh, there are plenty when it comes to dates. Inconsistent formats can confuse anyone. Ignoring regional differences. That's a quick way to mix up deadlines. Forgetting hidden text-based dates is a silent disaster, and misinterpreted date values can throw everything off. Let's avoid these traps. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.